how to turn on focus mode on iPhone. So if you are in the midst of something, or you want to get engaged with something next while using your iPhone and want to avoid any kind of interruption, this easiest thing you can do to avoid this is just to put your iPhone on focus mode. So here basically I'm going to walk you through how to activate or enable focus mode on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to turn on focus mode on iPhone, just swipe down your control center. So this works perfectly on iOS 18 as well as iOS 17 or earlier. So whether you go to the control center from the top or you swipe up like this to access your control center on your iPhone. So just go to your control center. On the control center, locate the moon icon. Is usually the focus mode icon. So you can just click on it or press and hold it. Then once you press and hold, you're going to see all the focus mode you've created or the default focus mode on your iPhone. Then just go ahead and click on do not disturb. Now once turned on do not disturb, this is going to turn off all notifications on your iPhone, including incoming calls and notifications from applications using your iPhone. Then once that is turned on, you can now close this page. Now to know that the focus mode is active on your iPhone, you should see the moon icon activated and do not disturb is turned on. Then if you also close this page, then just beside the time dynamic island at the top left, you're going to see the moon icon indicating that you turned on focus mode. So once you're done doing whatever you are doing and you are ready to turn off the focus mode, just repeat the same process. Swipe down the control center, locate do not disturb and then click on it once, and that will disable the focus mode on your iPhone. So that is basically how to enable or activate focus mode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.